Hi everyone! I've been trying to record this video for the last 3 hours, so hopefully this time it will go, because I have really important news to share, as you can see from the title of the video. Basically, to cut to the chase, in a few months I am moving from my country of Slovenia to Denmark. I am specifically moving to Billund, which is the location of the headquarters of the LEGO group, and there I will work as an official LEGO technique designer. Ever since I was a child, I always wanted to be an official designer, and now that I've been given this opportunity, of course I have to take it. And I hope you understand that this is a major change that will be, of course, reflected in the channel, because I am changing jobs, countries, towns, cultures, people, everything will change, and this is basically like starting a whole new life, and it is a very big deal. And yes, I'm just so grateful I was given this opportunity. Having said that, I'm still currently employed by the Boobies, and I've been working really hard on my models for the gathering. So here is a quick preview of the buggy / crawler, which is designed for the unlimited and buggy category, and as you can see, it has a lot of suspension travel, and I will go much more into details of all my models that I designed for the gathering, and I will make a dedicated video of the models, of a preview of the models before the gathering, and after the gathering I will make a review of my models, and I will show how well they performed and the things that I learned during the build and of course the competition itself. Now, I would like to thank everyone for their support over all of the years, for all of the nice comments, and even for all the criticism, because without your support, without your feedback, I would have never grown to this level of a designer that is required to work for LEGO. So, thank you everyone for all your support, and what can I say? In a few months I will be designing official LEGO Technic sets, and I can't wait to get started and to start my new life as an official technic designer. Thank you again for everything you've done over all these years. I wish you a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.